Because I'm an ordinary man, come from very, very ordinary background, a lower middle class family. मेरा जैसा ordinary आदमी कर सकता है, मैं तो any one of you can do.
ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. Good morning everyone. So in this beautiful morning of December, we are fortunate enough that we have Honorable Dr. T.N. Suresh with us. आप लोगों ने पीछे visuals देखा होगा. And we are much more lucky enough that we have the presence of his beloved wife, Honorable Dr. Geeta. They both are the senior scientists from ISRO. और जैसा कि मैं सर से कल कह भी रहा था, कुछ लोग सर से मिलने आए और सर के साथ फोटो खिंचवा रहे थे, तो सर ने कहा कि आई एम नॉट अमिताभ बच्चन, वाई यू ऑल आर टेकिंग पिक्चर्स विद मी. और मैंने तब कहा था कि यू आर मच ग्रेटर देन अमिताभ बच्चन. एक्चुअली देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन. आपने विजुअल में जो कुछ भी सर के बारे में देखा, इट वॉज दी ओनली व्हाट आई कैन से a part of his greatness in life. Actually 154 countries and all the 7 continents सर ने ट्रेवल कर लिया है. एक बार तालियां बजाइए सर के लिए. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो सर से सीखने के लिए हैं. मिश्रा सर, मैं आपको भी बताऊं, कल एक्चुअली मैं बहुत फॉर्चुनेट इनफ हूं बिकॉज आई एम रिसीविंग हिज लव एंड ब्लेसिंग्स कंसिस्टेंटली. और मुझे अभी कुछ समय पहले ही सर के हाथ से ही विधि रत्न अवार्ड मिला था. विधि रत्न अवार्ड बड़ा नहीं था, सर के हाथ से मिलना बड़ा था. तो एक बार तालियां बजती रहे आपकी. yesterday we visited Mahakal temple. Sir, ma'am and I, Abhishek was there with me. और हुआ ये कि सर ने एक बड़ी बात कही, आपको बताऊं, उसमें आपको गर्व महसूस होगा. सर ने कहा कि this temple belongs to Lord Shiva and my wife is devotee of Lord Shiva. लेकिन मेरे भगवान तो यहां हैं जिनसे मैं कल मिलूंगा. So this is all about the greatness of a personality. आपने डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम साहब के बारे में सुना होगा, the ex president of India and renowned scientist. सर ने उनके साथ लंबे समय काम किया है. बहुत सारी बातें हैं सर के बारे में, मतलब मैं बोलता रहूंगा तो दिन भर उनके बारे में ही बोलता चला जाऊंगा. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं ज़्यादा कुछ न बोलूं और माइक्रोफोन पे सीधे सर को हम इनवाइट करें और उनसे सुने. आप सर जो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं सुने. सर ने कहा कि एक्चुअली ही इज़ फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड वेयर हिंदी इज़ नॉट एट ऑल स्पीकिंग बाय द पर्सन्स. ईच एंड एवरी वन स्पीक्स व्हाट, इंग्लिश. और सर तमिल कन्नड़ा, इंग्लिश, सो फ्रेंच. So sir will try to speak in Hindi as well. Sir will try to speak in Hindi as well. Otherwise उनका प्रेजेंस ही बहुत है, उनको आप सुनते रहें. और कुछ काम की बातें होंगी तो he will translate himself in Hindi. So जब तक सर डायस पर आते हैं तब तक अपने जगह पर खड़े होकर तालियां बजाते रहिए.
Namaskar. Is it on? Very good morning to all of you. I just came last evening here, Kal Sham, almost 5 o'clock like that. Not even 24 hours. If this is the kind of hospitality, I don't want to go back to Bangalore. I'll stay here. हमारे लिए एक घर बना दिया है, आप लोगों का साथ रहना चाहता हूँ. What an amount of hospitality. इतना देखभाल कर रहे हैं. Very, very happy. Okay. Very good morning to all of you once again. It's customary that wherever I go, जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ, first and foremost, I would like to give my due respect to my guru, my senior, and our beloved ex-president of India, late Dr. Abdul Kalam साहब को प्रणाम करके मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ. respected Mishra ji and MJ, not Michael Jackson, Manmohan Joshi, the inspiration, the power of this Kautilya institution, and other friends, and all the dignitaries, and finally, Thare Jamin Par, future of India, asset of India. My dear student, I am extremely happy to be with you in this small morning of a few minutes. Please accept my happiness. Honestly, actually, we came for some other work, myself and my wife. It is like a flying visit. One day I'll come back and spend full day with you, and you're free to ask all sort of questions. And I give some presentation about the space and all, about Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan and all. We'll definitely have a wonderful session. Today, we are in some other work, and then I don't want to disappoint, so that is why I came. मेरा गुरु ने हमेशा बोल रहा था, देखो भाई, always spend more time with students. Like we say now, as you grow older and older, you must be with younger and younger. इसका मतलब क्या है? Try to update. If you don't update, you will become out of date. That means हमेशा सीखते रहो, हमेशा सीखते रहो. That is why when we try to move with youngsters, we feel young. मतलब latest technology पर पता चल जाएगा. So like that is why I always enjoy meeting students. It is my temple. People go to temple to see God. I go to institution because Gnan ka Bandar, knowledge of temple. That's why I enjoy my time in meeting all of you. Okay, friends. Let's come to the subject. You might have seen my videos. Seen? Okay. Maybe one or two. Might have thought that Suresh Kumar has done some great job going to the edge of space. First Indian to go to zero gravity. First Indian to explore the Sahara Desert more than 3,500 kilometers, etc., etc. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है. I don't think so. Because I'm an ordinary man, come from very, very ordinary background, a lower and middle class family. मेरा जैसा ordinary आदमी कर सकता है, मैं तो any one of you can do. Why anyone? All of you can do. You have that talent, you have that ability, you have that power, you can do it. On that day, I would like to sit and then watch your achievement. I consider that day as my most happiest day in my life. Okay, friends. You might have gone through the last 2-3 days about our Parag Agarwal. You know who is Parag Agarwal? It will be one of your GK question in coming days. Okay. Have you heard of Satyam Shivam Sundaram? Kaha? Mandir mein? No. Satyam is Satyam Nadella, Microsoft chief. Sundaram is Sundar Pichai. Shivam is Shivam, another Shivam is this our HCL chief. They have gone and conquered everything in USA. Or for example, Indira, Pepsi CEO. Means like this, I can quote many people. But lekin, जैसे when you use शायरी, we say 2-3 times, no? मुझे लगता है उन लोगों ने इतना बड़ा they got this top position, उसके पीछे बहुत power रहता है. When a student, when a boy or a girl, when they start at very first standard, the parents will come to know that, yeah, this we have to give the training. The teachers will think that, yes, we have to train him. Then the professors will think that. So they all work so much to make them an IIT and a big rank student. Like all of you are getting the coaching from our people. You know? This type of is happening. And they go and they complete their IITs and then go to some other country and then they are doing a wonderful job. वो गर्व की बात है. मुझे लगता है actually somewhere in the corner of my heart, भाई आप लोग इधर जन्म दिया, parents have worked so much, teachers have worked so much, the body shaping is done by these professors done so much, आप लोग रैंक लिया, सब कुछ खुशी की बात है. लेकिन सब करने के बाद parents they put their houses in गिरवी रख के लोन लेके आपको MS बनाया. जैसे एक छोटा सा प्लांट को पानी डाला, देन फेंसिंग बनाया, देन ऊपर बनाया, जब फल आ गया अमेरिका वाला के तोड़ के निकल जाएगा. यू आर ऑल गोइंग एंड वर्किंग देयर. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी. इसको बोलता है एक्चुअली ब्रेन ड्रेन. दिस इज नॉर्मली आई विल टेल व्हेन आई गो टू IITs or NITs. On the other hand, let us just see this side. Kalam Sahab, Vikram Sarabhai, Professor Sarabhai, Satish Dhawan, Arumugam, they all stayed back and they made very first mission to Mars successful. Mera heroes are that. Even if you take billions of dollars salary, I am not happy. It's my opinion. जब मैं देखता हूँ इन लोगों को ना बहुत खुशी होता है. लेकिन आज today I am happy that I am addressing to such a students who are interested to work for India. That is IAS or civil service. It indicates that I am going to be in India. I am very happy with you all today. Moment when I entered here, इतना खुश हो गया. Whole auditorium was dark and then I was just hearing only sound. इतना thrill हुआ when I went to space. My pilot said that, Dr. Suresh, see there, you can see the stars in the sky. The same thrill I am enjoying now when I see all of you. You are all going to, in coming days, this batch is going to say that, sir, I am going to become an IPS officer. This batch is saying that, yes, sir, this student group says, I am going to become an IPS officer. I will see that law and order I maintain. I will see that I will maintain this good administration. बहुत खुशी की बात है. I am addressing to the people, very, very happy. It may looks very rosy when I speak like that, no? अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन my dear friends, in coming days, maybe in 5 to 10 years, you are all going to take that type of important position. We are putting a responsibility on you. You have to take this our country in the right direction. Not that I passed this exam, I got this position, पीछे 2 पुलिस है, 2 गाड़ी सामने है, मेरा DC कार आ रहा है, सब लोग no, that is only your profession. आपका value सब बढ़ जाता है, personality बन जाता है, person to personality. When you do this, ये गांव को मैं बिजली दिलवा दिया है, this गांव को मैं स्कूल बना दिया, this roads को बना दिया, this bridges I made, this like this. When you do this, no, that is the happiness which you get. That is worth crores and crores and crores of rupees. So my dear friends, I am having confidence in you. आपको ऊपर आपसे ज्यादा मेरे को भरोसा है. You are all going to do it. Is that the Hindi sentence correct? So I am having confidence on you that you can do it much more than your abilities. I am having that you are going to do it. Because that type of happiness I am seeing, that type of greatness I am seeing. When I see that, I so get happiness, that's what I am very pretty sure that you are all going to do that. Okay? That's one thing. My dear friends, most important thing I want to tell is, if you just see the results, especially particularly about this civil service, written exam में सब पास हो जाते हैं, 67%, 70% पास हो जाते हैं. लेकिन when you go for next viva, next stages, no, hardly some 20-22 people percentage only get through as an officers. By 2 times I passed, 3 times I passed, but I was not able to qualify because there are so many things are there, factors are there. Even though hundreds, see, even indoors so many people are there, means all over India so many people are there. They are all preparing, no. But ultimately, only few number is going to become the IAS officers, or any of this one. So you need to concentrate more. I want to give a small suggestion. I'm sorry, more than suggestion, I want to use the whisper. क्या बोलते? Whisper. कान से बोलता है ना, प्यार से दोस्त. I'm like your friend. Okay? What I'm telling is, personality बढ़ना चाहिए. Not that like bookworm बोलता है ना, हम कुड़मी बोलता है in engineering college में. बस खाली पढ़ाई पढ़ी सुबह शाम तक. No. You should have a personality. You should have good health. You must have a good communication skill. Sometimes I see that even top people, they're not able to express their ideas. So the skill is very important. And then you should have a good attire. Because there is where most of the people will fail. That 70% mein jo hai na, it will come down to 22% because of this type of problems. What happens is, once I am taking you as a DC, I am giving a full district in your hand. You should be able to handle it. There is a lot of pressure, political pressure aata hai. natural calamities रहता है, suddenly floods हो जाएगा. How to handle the situation? You should not become panicky because you are the DC of that station. You are the SP of that station. You are the chief of that place. You have to take some bold decisions. Sometimes some people will oppose. You should be able to take decisions. You should हिलना नहीं चाहिए. मतलब your command should be such strong that nobody can change you. Yes, it is required. It has to be. That type of personality should build. Especially the female, I'm just telling. आप लोग पढ़ाई करके एकदम आ जाएगा. No doubt about it. But this type of thing you should build in you. You should be very commandable. इसको बोलते हैं वज्रादपि कठोराणि बुधानि कुसुमादपि. देखने में वज्र जैसे कठोर में स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, लेकिन अंदर जो है ना, like कुसुमादपि, you should be soft like that. No, sometimes you cannot take a decision. Okay, just here all पानी पर वाले सबको निकाल दो, ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. You should be have that feeling. Right, how he will take care? If you throw everybody out, where they will take care? Can I make an alternative? So this type of decision making is very important. So academically, there is a lot of force is there. Just I want to share one minute I will take. I went to recently some country. On the way back, I had to stay in Dubai for some time. So then, anyway, day is free. I went to Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on earth. Okay. Then actually I was just seeing, and then my driver, he was happy. Just see, are so beautiful. It's a tough one. Then I said, can you just give me 2 minutes, 3 minutes? I want to just go to basement. उसको अजीब सा लगा. What is this person is asking to go to basement? Yes. Are you sure, sir? Yes. You want to go to car parking? No. I want to just go to basement. Then I went there. Then I just saw so many times. I just spent some time there and afterwards I came back, and then yes, he said, okay, it's fine. I spent less time on seeing the slides and then more time on basement. Then we are coming back to the hotel. Then the driver asked me, sir, if you don't mind, I want to ask you a question. Actually, I am working in this tourism for more than 15 to 20 years. Hanifa बोल के सब लोग आके लाइट देखता है, क्लैप मारता है, म्यूजिक से, but लेकिन why did you go to basement? I tell you. You have some 5 minutes, I can explain. हाँ सब बोलिए भाई, खुशी लगता है. Then I told, you see, it is Registan, it is a desert, only sand. How he made that foundation to hold such a massive building? And then that foundation is underneath, नीचे है. वो बोल रहा है building को, तुम you shine with lights, you shine, the whole world is coming seeing you, but I will stay down and hold all your. That is what our institutions are doing. MJ Saab jaise log, or all the professors here, and your parents, they are doing that. You will shine. Tomorrow, if you become IPS officer, tomorrow, if you become IAS officer, you become a DC in this year, your parents will be still staying there. Mera beti hai, mera beta hai. So, when I told them that person is from Pakistan, but he was said, I'm very, बहुत कुछ हो गया सब, मेरा fan है, अभी भी fan है, अभी वो करते रहता है. See, they like this. When you are going up, there are a lot of people working behind. पर्दे के पीछे बोल जाता है. They don't even know. So you must always respect these 3 people in Malay. One is Acharya Devava. Anybody say other than Acharya Devo, Matrudevo, Pitrudevo. Only these 3 people we use Devava. Nobody, any cricketer Devava बोलता है, other than Tendulkar. Okay, what I'm telling is just I'm kidding. So there are some forces always working behind you to take you to that top, to that pinnacle. So why I'm telling is this means, आप अगर कौटिल्य से नंबर 1 आ गया, फर्स्ट रैंक आ गया, मतलब आपसे ज्यादा they will be happy because my effort has come. Just when you put the plant, it gives a beautiful apple. Arey yaar, I have put about 15 years back, I waited to this. So that type of happiness is there. Your father and mother will be most happy that my son is there. So sometimes you see in social media, ये ऑटो का ड्राइवर का बेटा डीसी बन गया, और इवन दैट पानीपुरी वाला आरटीओ बन गया. This is the thing which you will see that. That is inspiration. But I feel when I see you, you all are elite class. अब लोगों को इधर आके इतना मिल रहा है, मतलब that itself is a something, boon. Var Prasad बोलता है ना. So you make use of it. You really work hard. You have a very great force behind you to take, and you must do a hard work, and you must always have a dream. जैसे अपना साहब बोल रहे थे ना, द ड्रीम नॉट अलाउ यू टू स्लीप, नॉट द ड्रीम विच यू स्लीप इन योर स्लीपिंग. मतलब जो आपका वो जो ड्रीम है ना, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम एंड आई सी दिस एरिया का जो भी प्रॉब्लम है सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. आज, नॉट आज, अभी एक संकल्प कीजिए, ओनली फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग टू माई कंट्री. आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग, जो भी है आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग. वो जब वो ब्लड में आ जाता ना, दिन भर रात भर वही मंत्र होना चाहिए, व्रत होना चाहिए, टिल यू कंप्लीट. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, योर जीवन सफल हो जाता है. ए डॉग विल आल्सो टेक लाइफ, ए cow also will take life, a hathi will. When we are become human being, if you don't do something, it's become waste. So I am sure you're all going to do that, and then you work hard. We are always with you. Any type of help you require, we are there. Whatever possible. We have good leaders like this. You don't need any role model. It's already you are having in front of you. You should make up. Say how they conquer, they feel. You should go and do, and then do. I do. There are two things are there. I do man, you do man. Mahatma Gandhi is I do man. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, मैं सत्याग्रह. I will go for fasting. मैं खाना नहीं खाता हूँ, सत्याग्रह मैं जाता हूँ. He has told all of you go for सत्याग्रह. He said. So whereas Hitler said you do, I will order. So you should become I do. I will do that. I will take care of this Indore. I will take care of Madhya Pradesh. I will take care of my India. That type of blood cells होना चाहिए हमको, of course. I am pretty sure you will do it, and then anything is there. We are always there. Next time again I will come. This won't be a flash visit. Next time I will come. I spend time. I will talk about space, and then for some time I will take you all in a different field, and then all the best. Thank you.
थैंक्स अ लॉट सर फॉर योर एनलाइटेंड वर्ड्स. मैं आपको सर के बारे में कुछ और बताता हूँ. बहुत सारी बातें हैं, मुझे लगता है दिन नहीं खत्म होगा. कल हम 4-5 घंटे साथ में थे तो खूब सारी बातें हुई. सर का 60th बर्थडे था जब वो कुछ समय पहले 60 साल के हुए. आपको लग रहे होंगे 21 के, बट ही इज मच मोर देन 21 ईयर्स ऑफ एज. 60th बर्थडे था उनका. तो सो दे डिस्कस्ड एट होम. मैम ने पूछा उन्हें कि आपको अपने 60वें बर्थडे पर क्या चाहिए. तो सर ने जो बोला आप इमेजिन भी शायद नहीं कर पाएंगे. उस इमेजिनेशन को मैं और आगे ले जाता हूँ. सर ने कहा आई वांट टू हैव द स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ स्काई डाइविंग. जहाज से कूदने का मन है. अच्छा, स्काई डाइविंग के लिए मैं सर से बात ही कर रहा था. बहुत फेमस जो जगह है वर्ल्ड में वो है बार्सिलोना, स्पेन. दूसरा अभी जो फेमस हो रहा है आज की डेट में, दैट इज यूएई, दुबई. सर ने कौन सी जगह सुनी आपको जानकर आश्चर्य होगा, दैट इज माउंट फिजी. माउंट फिजी सर बता ही रहे थे, इट इज मोस्ट डेंजरस प्लेस, क्योंकि वहां पर में प्लेन है, माउंटेन है, देन पानी है. अगर थोड़ी सी चूक हुई तो बचेंगे ही नहीं. सो दे वेंट देयर और सर ने स्काई डाइव किया वहां से अपने 60वें बर्थडे में. ताली बजाओ, आपको मजा आना चाहिए. सो ऐसे कई सारे एडवेंचरस स्टोरीज सर के पास में हैं जिनको सुनने के लिए दिन छोटा है और समय कम पड़ जाता है सर के साथ में. अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्योंकि बिकॉज ही हैज लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. अभी भी वो बहुत सारी फील्ड में रिसर्च कर रहे हैं अबाउट विच वी कैन नॉट डिस्कस हियर इन पब्लिक. सो और अभी भी वो यहाँ भी कुछ रिसर्च ही करने के लिए आए हुए हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने समय निकाला आपके और हमारे लिए. सर वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू. कोई क्वेश्चंस? अच्छा, साथ में जो बैठी हुई है लेडी, शी इज ऑल्सो अ सीनियर साइंटिस्ट ऑफ इसरो. तो हाँ, आप उनके लिए तालियां बजाइए. Geeta ma'am, she is so enlightened, and when she speaks in Hindi and English, she is having command in both the languages. But अभी वो बोल रही हैं कि आज सर को ही बोलने दीजिए, मैं घर पे उनकी बोलती बंद करवा देती हूँ. So अच्छा, मैं ऐसी बातें क्यों कर पा रहा हूँ? Because sir has allowed me, sir has given me that space कि मैं उनसे ऐसी बात कर पा रहा हूँ. अदरवाइज तो हमारी औकात उनके बराबर में बैठने की नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है कहीं से कहीं तक. तो कल सर ने एक बड़ी बात कही मिश्रा साहब, हम जब महाकाल मंदिर में थे. सो आई एम वेरी मच टच्ड. मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से. सर ने कहा आई डोंट बिलीव इन द नेक्स्ट बर्थ, लेकिन अगर ऐसा कुछ होता हो तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि यू मस्ट बिकम माई सन इन माई नेक्स्ट बर्थ. तो ये मेरे लिए ऑनर है. तो आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं तो पूछिए, और सर वुड लव टू आंसर. आपके क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, सर आंसर देना पसंद करेंगे. सर प्लीज.
अच्छा, वन थिंग व्हेन आई से okay, first and foremost, you are free to ask any question. I am not your teacher. I am not your professor.
Also allow them to ask
Okay, that's what I'm telling is, I am your friend. You ask that question which you feel comfortable. Particularly these boys and girls. Some question you start feeling hesitation to ask in front of boys. Okay, can ask me in Quora.com. I'm just joking, okay? Any question, feel free ask. We are friends and the best possible, I will try to answer. Yes, tell me. Anybody? Somebody should start automatically. Yes, exactly. What's your name?
Who is responsible for brain drain?
Exactly. See what happened. What is his name?
Ayush.
Ayushman Baba. Okay. You see, what happens is, I have met a lot of people at your age, especially 10 and plus 2. वो माइंड का जो रहता है ना, वो सब चेंज होता है when they go to engineering. वो जो पैसा है ना, इतना पावरफुल है, वो लेके जाएगा आपको. There are very few people say, no, I want to do something to my country. In 2000 में Y2K project आ गया, year 2000, lot of people went. My own friends, they left. Then just for mere 7 lakh rupees, they left and gone. At that time, one set of people thought, यार नहीं जाना चाहिए. We have to stay. We are the cream of DRDO, DEO, ISRO. We are the cream. अगर हम लोग भी चला गए तो क्या होगा यार? मेरे माँ बुढ़ी हो गई है, मेरे माँ का साड़ी फटा हुआ है, इसको छोड़ के चला गया था, कैसे होगा यार? It's the time we should stay and show that we can do it something. फिर भी लोग, बहुत सारे लोग, मेरे दो friends have left this place and then gone because they got more money. They went into Intelsat, Inmarsat. Some of them went to this one Ford Aerospace. Then we said we'll stay back. Yeah. Then we start working hard. मतलब Saturday Sunday जाओ, कुछ काम करो. Then we undergone a lot of problem. जो कामयाब होंगे, कामयाब ये आसानी से नहीं मिलता है. You have to work hard. Hurdles आता है. Then we really encountered a lot of problems, some satellites problems. Then we started working, and then we made first mission to moon and show to the world that there is water. Then everybody started looking towards India. And within few years, we have gone to Mars. First attempt. The cost of is less than making a movie. This type of blood में जब आ जाता ना, कोई नहीं जाएगा. ये जब, see what happens, all of you always you compare. Then you will start doing research में जाएगा. PhD नहीं मिलता है, 3 years, 4 years. Then you try to see your friend, he will come in BMW, he will come in Mercedes. अरे यार मेरा उम्र चला जा रहा है. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Your dream should be so strong that you will not allow it to. All these people are going for the money. If money is the criteria, please go. Don't come to ISRO. Every day I say that. If you want to do something to the country, please come to DRDO. If you want to do something to something, please come to ISRO. ISRO में style नहीं रहता, ISRO में style नहीं रहता. People are very simple. Have you seen Chandrayaan 2 में Dr. Sivan साहब को बच्चों जैसे रो रहा था. अरे भाई, we have taken money from this society. They have given for us to research and then send it to moon. We are not able to deliver what we are doing. 10 years they work day and night. It has gone reach almost 1 किलोमीटर का पहले, 2 किलोमीटर का पहले गिर गया यार. बहुत दुख होता है. ये जो साइंटिस्ट लोग हैं ना, वो बच्चे जैसे हो जाता है. He was weeping like, you have seen those videos? Yes, no. This is a kind of attachment. जब ये attachment आ जाता ना, you will not go. If you have got attachment with Lakshmi, you will go. If you attach with Saraswati, you will stay here. Any other question, please? Oh, thank you, sir. What rate? Poverty rate. Okay. Exactly. Poverty is nothing to do with your knowledge. मैंने बताया ना, poverty, richness, वो सब लक्ष्मी का बात है. तो सरस्वती है ना, इधर है. If you may be a very rich man today, very next day you can come to road. Vijay Mallya is the best example. Okay. So what I am telling is, at the same time, if you are an intelligent, Abdul Kalam का brain में खोपड़ी निकाल के नहीं ले सकता है, बिकॉज दैट इज सरस्वती. सो पॉवर्टी जो है ना, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट. दैट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रॉम कमिंग 10 years. You should take, the e-governance is very important. Governance इतना अच्छा करो, अपना आप मिल जाना चाहिए, रिश्वत नहीं होना चाहिए. ये सब when you start doing, बैलेंस हो जाता है. एनर्जी कैन बी neither created nor destroyed. It's available. Energy is constant. अंबानी के पास बहुत पैसा है, तो पानीपुरी वाले के पास पैसा नहीं है. मतलब we have not distributed properly. When you start doing, how you can do? You are the people who do it. Administrative people. See that everybody will get their degree easily. See that everybody will get their rights equally. When you start doing, अपना आप दोनों हो जाए. If you go to advanced country, buying a car is like wearing a chappal. And then president will go walk like, you might have seen President of America, the first person of the whole globe. He will just like walk with anybody. You go to Sweden, in metro, you can see the president traveling with you, prime minister traveling with you. That is called the balanced life. Here, a small one person is coming, पीछे 15 लोग आता है. Means if the energy is distributed, if you can do that balance, वो 20% poverty है ना, वो अपना आप आ जाएगा. ये 80% वाला कमाएगा, it will come and settle in 60, 50-60 में हो जाएगा. That is the life you wanted. That is called quality life. वो quality life, the life-changing decision the administrative people have to take. Scientific लोग है ना, वो हमेशा वो कंप्यूटर से बात करते हैं, मशीन्स का बात करते हैं, रैकेट का बात करते हैं, उसको they don't meet the social common man. Like you people only will be always dealing with the human beings. It is very sensitive and very difficult. If that can be done, we can bring it together. Any other question, please? At least some girls should ask, to compete with them. Very nice. What's your name? Oh, fine.
The older you get, the more.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I understand.
And you work with Kalam sir also. So I just want to ask that how he used to process his thought and what are the most main things you learned from him.
What do you learn from Kalam sir?
I'm not able to learn only 1% or 2%. If I have learned, then I feel that I'm most luckiest person. कलाम साहब, आप लोग मंदिर जाता है, लेकिन भगवान का पास बात नहीं कर सकता. इट्स ओनली मूर्तियाँ, विग्रह. लेकिन कलाम साहब, माई मदर इज द रियल गॉड. इफ यू सीन माई वीडियो, आई हैव टेकन माई मदर फोटो and Indian flag, going to some other country and then hoisting on Independence Day with my own effort, everything my own effort. You respect that Indian, not Suresh Kumar, who made that had taken this Indian flag to the Antariksh and with mother photo on August 15th. So Kalam sir always is a leader. Lead by example. मतलब क्या है एक्चुअली, ये काम करो, वो काम करो, ऐसा नहीं है एक्चुअली. That is the dictatorship. That's what Hitler has done. So he has miserably failed. He shot himself, means suicide कर दिया. कलाम साहब हमारे साथ रहता है. हमें उसका एक बार इतना, you will really feel his mother died. He did not go. It's a part of life. Let's work. That is a kind of respect. It's like, when we start doing it, especially when you are doing in research, 5:30 is only official time. We don't know when you go back. 8:30, 9 o'clock. काम करते रहते हैं, टेस्टिंग चलते रहता है. 11 o'clock हो जाएगा. But कलाम साहब हमारे साथ बैठता है. He is a top man. He can go 3:30. Nobody will ask him. करो I'm there. When we are doing automatically, पीछे से एक चाय आ जाएगा. साहब, work. See, when boss is sitting there, automatically get inspired. That is very important. And I have to learn many things from him. But I really follow him. I really enjoy. Okay? Bye. Yes. Can I have some mic to them? Yeah, mic? Oh. What is it?
And he's asking about the zero gravity.
Okay, fine. जो है ना actually, when we all born with some X gravity, gravity of Earth. So body जो उसको adaptability बोल जाता है. So tomorrow, if I'm staying here, you say that sir, no chawal, only chapati eat morning, chapati eat afternoon, chapati. We'll adjust. 2 days, अरे यार गंबल करके तो adjust हो जाएगा. उसको बोलते हैं adaptability. Tomorrow say that all of you are staying this, you have to sleep. 1 घंटा 2 घंटा गड़बड़ करेगा, अरे चलो यार थोड़ा adjust करो यार, सो जाएंगे. So body gets adaptability. So the gravity of Earth we have adjusted. Suppose you are born in moon, you would have adjusted there. And then if you bring You from moon to here, you are not able to walk because the gravity is far less there compared to here. So when we go to the space, as you go, see gm by r square, force of gravitational force. जैसे gravitation attraction जो है ना, दूर दूर चलते रहते हैं, वो कम होते रहता है. It will be highest when you are close. So it is inversely proportional to the distance. So जैसे जैसे वो क्या होता है, आपको मन में जो है ना, the mind commands this much for is required to lift hand, this much like that. वो कम होते रहते हैं. Body get confused when we go up and then we start floating. वो पानी को ऐसे जाओ, ऐसे जाके पी सकता है. Whatever you have seen is intro video. Full videos are available in YouTube. Slowly, when you go home and you can just see. Okay. So then what happened? For a moment we are not able to understand. Vomiting आ जाता है. इसको vomit comment बोलता है. इसको travel के लिए. So we start going so many times and come so many times. Body adapter हो जाता है. We understand. Oh, okay, this is the thing we have to do. Then we'll go and stay in ISS station for months together. People have stayed 444 days and do experiments and then finally come back. So this is the changes will happen, and then it will be exciting and also painful, and when you adjust, it will be easy. Okay. Anybody else? Oh, okay. Oh, fantastic. You are asking this question in this 21st century. 40 years back, food has taken me to go to ISRO. It's no poverty tha. I just told you, I am from a very, very lower middle class family. My father was a pandit in a small, not like Kalbalvishwa, इतना बड़ा टेबल है, छोटा सा, and then वो जो आरती का पैसा आता है उसमें हमारा फैमिली चल रहा था. I used to eat fruit only when function comes and somebody will give दान देता है, उससे खा रहा था. Okay, and then first when I go and then I joined my career in Ahmedabad, ISRO, I applied only one application in my life and retired. I liked only one lady and then married and I'm continuing. Okay. The first was survival. मेरे parents ने क्या बोला? भाई जो भी काम करो पगार आना चाहिए बस. That was the first. We had no chance. I had to go to JEE. I had to go. This was no. We had to get job. That was the condition we started. And then first, you are not even drawn first salary. मेरे को letter आया. As soon as you receive this letter, तुरंत पैसा भेजो. माँ का हालत खराब है. And then बाद में I think you are okay. These three sentences always हमेशा रहता है. Okay. Then बाद में how are you? Because that was this. Unless we go and take some money and send it back, the family नहीं चलता है. You people are. That's why I told you, when I see you are all lucky people, because your parents are so great. They are sending you do it. Whatever fees I will pay. You do it. I मेरा PF loan लेके बेटा बैठो. You must make use of that, madam. Okay. You should live up to their expectation. You should live up to this institution. They are putting day and night. This girl is going to get rank. We have to give them sham ko jao, work this, work. They will make You must live up to that expectation. Not only for you. There are some other forces. No, this was the force make me to go to ISRO. Just applied, I got, and then continued. And I was so fortunate to work with Professor Ishwal, Prasharuti, Rambhadran. It's a Mahan Vyakti. I'm able to learn, pick fast, and then got this opportunity. I began this. Okay? Anything else? We can conclude. Oh, okay, last chance. I just already answered that question. Okay, I don't want to disappoint you. I just see what type I told now. He's something different. See, when you will feel comfortable, I just came to your office and then sir ka room ko leke gaya. Then he said, you sit in that chair. No, you are the boss. That is your chair. No, sir, you sit there. Madam, you sit. I will sit here. And then some people brought some tea, coffee, and then biscuits. It's normal. He said he has not told that he's a chai wala leke hai. They are all my friends. For one moment I thought there is a small iota is there. So this type of thing will take lead by example. Captain matlab मैं century मार के आया हूँ. With automatically other fellow get fear. अरे भाई मेरे को निकल देगा. He himself is hit century. He has taken 2 wickets. I have to do it. That type of leadership is required. One more example. I'll just take one more minute an example. All my examples are practical which has happened. एक बार SLV 3 पहले वाला fail हो गया. Mostly you might have seen in YouTube. I just repeat if you have not seen. You can just go and see. Then Kalam Sahab was the PD, project director. And then बहुत डर गया था. उस दिन Indira Gandhi was the terror. Means it was so leader. People used to get scared. And she came and then Satish Dhawan was our chairman. Dhawan Sahab का पास Kalam sir, sir, बहुत डर लग रहा है. He was just 40, so how to answer to Prime Minister? No. Then don't worry, tomorrow morning we'll see. Then Madam came and then Dhawan sir ने बोला, Kalam, you stay back. I will answer. So happy he was. And then, Madam, we undergone this problem. It is a space technology. It's not that if it is some scooter, we can open and see. It is happening in the space. We need to work. We start working. We analyze. We know within 1 year we are going to make this rocket launch success. Then okay, then it's all right. It's a research, it's very difficult. And then okay, it's all right. Go ahead. Kalam was very happy. He has quoted himself. I was a culprit like that. He has told. You can just go through YouTube. You will find it. Then within next year, we made it successful. Then we were very happy. Whole ISRO was enjoying. At that time, again, the situation has come to explain. Dhawan sir said, Kalam, please come here, come here. Kalam, you explain, I'll stand back. This is called leadership. Don't run away when problem comes. Don't run away when problem comes. जब problems आ जाता ना, at that time only you will know what is your ability. कार आ गया, बेटा आ गया, बस आ गया, aeroplane आ गया. This is anybody can do. When you are in there, when you get into problem, how you tackle, then you will know what is your ability. Problem आना चाहिए. You must pass through hurdles. Then you will enjoy this life. So these are the people. That's why I like them very much. They are the real leaders. Not that you do it, you do it. Oh, sab kar sakta hai. That's all. You should go and do it. I do first. So these are the things we try to like. Okay, any other person? We can. Okay, okay. Very good question. No. I don't know, somebody not heard. She's asking modern technology is good or bad. Fantastic. Any technology is good only. Scientists day and night work. Day and night working for what? They want to be rich? They want to be happy? No, not at all. To make the quality of life of all of us to be good and enjoy. Actually, I'll ask you honestly a question to all of you. You can talk. If you don't want to answer, you can ask to yourself. Mobile, are you using for right purpose? Laptop, are you using for right purpose? Is it the purpose their parents have got you 50,000, 60,000? आप एक बार सोचिए, Facebook देगा, Instagram जाएगा, photo डालेगा. Instead, how I use my mobile, I'll give, then you will understand. I have a mobile. I use Facebook, I use Instagram, I use YouTube, Quora.com, everything. But how a mobile, right in the morning till night, the mobile is useful for me. I get up, I using the alarm, and it will tell you what is my next 1 week, what are the programs. Today Kautilya, tomorrow Bhopal, next day. This whole 1 month ka data रहता है मेरे पास. And what dress I had to wear. I am going to Bahrain, then I had to go for a different dress. I am going to Chennai, I had to go in a different. So everything will tell what type of food, what is the weather condition today, rainy, not everything will decide. Then I go to a different country, currency converter हो जाएगा. Rupee से dollar से lira से euros. Like I use as a currency converter. Then I Google map. Just close your eyes. If the taxi driver is saying, no, you just go this way. You are going that way. Why you are going this road? Why didn't you go this short road? Yeah, it's here. You can use it. Calculator. You can calculate. Scientific calculator. Anything. Somebody asks suddenly a question. Who is MJSR? Then you just type MJSR. MJSR is one of the person like this in Kautilya, everything. Who is Mr. Sir? Everything will get it. So who can answer you? Is it a way should we not use the mobile like this? This is how you should use. And when you get bored, you can listen song, Hindi song in Azerbaijan, Hindi song in France. I want to see what is happening in Indore. Just go there and type and then see this, what is news. You are in Russia, you know what is happening in India. What do you want? Everything is there. These scientists and engineers, they have done for themselves, for you. If you go to road, there is a temple, there is a bar, there is a gambling, there is a school. I don't know which one you select. Okay? See, modern technology is meant for happiness, meant for comfort, meant for everything. See, I will tell you, if you talk to your parents, go and ask, ये ticket book करने के लिए, Bhopal to Indore, they should stand 1 hour in the railway station, write a form and everything and all. To get 100 rupees, they have to go to bank, take a token, wait for some time, they will say, then you Now you are just GPay you are sending to a Panipula wala or even Ganekaras wala. It is not technology. One step ahead will go. जब आप लोग पुराण में देखा होगा राम भूलोक में बैठ के कृष्ण चंद्रलोक में बैठ के बात कर रहा था. That is nothing but teleconference. Tele is at a distance. Are you not doing teleconference? Just go to WhatsApp and then go for video call. Your friend is in America, you will be talking there. For just 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Is it not teleconference? It is not done by ISRO. Should you not grateful to ISRO? Those people work day and night and make your life easy. You want to get an answer? Just type, you will get an answer. This is the modern technology. How you use important. Bijli hai bhai. You can use it for fan, you can use it for AC. If you try to put it here, it will shock and you will die. So it's up to you how to use. Modern technology, whatever they are doing, for good only. Okay? It's any other question or we can conclude? Okay, last, I'll give you a chance.
So when you began, definitely it was from zero. The starting of your career, your life and all that. So there might be not any guiding force that insisted you, but what was that strong thing that kept you going on and did not stop till today even?
Okay, that's good question. See what happens in normally there will be always push करो जब बच्चे लोग रहते हैं ना जब आप लोग अगर मम्मी एंड डैडी वो ट्राइसिकल में पुश करते रहते हैं चलो 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 so there is some motive force no will take you अरे you take this rank यार you study so there are always some force will be there. This in our age when we are talking about 40 years 50 years 45 years back no ये सब नहीं था. We are all self motivated people. Abdul Kalam father or my father they were never gone to school. My mother is unpad, my father is unpad. Even if you say something, they won't understand. But we have sent them to America. We showed them America, who is there and all. You got to point. So that means some people are self-motivated. So some people are by seeing and they will learn. So merely I say nahi tha, actually we can do it. And I have not done this. I want to become a record holder. I say nahi kiya actually. वो सब British लोग करता है. मैं actually for my interest I start seeing the world. जो curiosity ना scientific temperament जो है ना that is in my mind has taken me to all the way. That is the answer I want to give. अरे यार आप लोग सब लोग पढ़े होंगे स्कूल में what is this volcano, how volcano happens, वह कैसे रहेगा, what is northern lights, what is this, how it is happening, so the jungles of Amazon. So let me see. I want to see and enjoy. So when I start doing that, slowly I was doing. I was not doing when I became 100 country. People TV media has come in Greenland. भूमि का सबसे ऊपर they want to see India का आके 100 country का ये कौन है भाई देखेंगे. My wife you are in the home. I have not done to make a record. Then I was thinking that we don't know how to speak also because it was first time media facing. Then slowly we start coming. You should step डालना चाहिए. डालते जाओ. एक दिन वो होंगे कामयाब. एक दिन होंगे कामयाब. मन में है विश्वास. So like this we start working, you will get it. And don't compare. First is you should not compare. Every individual is individual. Is there any second Taj Mahal? No, that is individual. Is there a second Mahakaleshwar? No, it has got its own beauty. So like you are individual, Everybody is given same thing. Do ank kya hai? The same is there. Why she is getting 99? I am getting only 64. You just ask your question. You will get the answer. Same teacher, same syllabus, same time, 24 hours only. But she got 99. Why I got only 65? You ask yourself, you get it. Somewhere you might have wasted time in mobile. If you try to understand, no, try to analyze, easy ho jata. That's the way you can come. It's very easy. Okay. If no other question, we can conclude. Anybody else? No? Okay. वो आ जाएगा. What happens unless you go to the तैरना swimming. If you go to pool and start swimming, automatic आ जाएगा. It will teach you. अपना आ जाएगा. See what happens is anybody told that how to see the mobile? They have only got you start doing yourself. Creativity thinking. क्यों होता है? ये photos कैसे भेजना? ये photos कैसे भेजना? इसको नहीं पता चल जाएगा. So how you start thinking? No? It's the same thing when you starting. अरे ये problem है. इसको solve करने का. देखो this bridge गिर रहा है. इसको design ठीक नहीं है. You call that officer, engineer. You are not done. You are administrative officer. You can take a decision. Why this bridge has fallen? why traffic jam is here, why you have not done this, why this gutter, you have to order. वो आ जाएगा, अपना आ जाएगा, उसके लिए ट्रेनिंग भी देगा. It's not that you कॉलेज होने के बाद सीधा आपको दे देगा. There will be some training. इसके लिए एक स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल है. माई फ्रेंड इज देयर, ही इज वेरी फेमस, DIG है, संजय प्रकाश. एक बार ऐसे ही बोल रहा था, he passed APS and everything. They asked to do some small work. Let us say lawn moving है sir. Then after 2 hours, all the trainees, they came. What sir, we have passed the exam, they are asking us to do this. They asked his boss, the leader. He said, no, just I want to know how much time you take. Okay? If you अंदाज होना चाहिए आपको, ये काम करने के लिए 2 घंटे लगेगा. Tomorrow you are going to become officer. सीधा पनिशमेंट में करो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. You should have an idea. इसीलिए ऐसा ट्रेनिंग दे देगा. You understand? So once you get training, automatically train. आ जाएगा, don't you worry. Okay. Thank you very much. Really enjoyed and then nice day. Once again, I want to scan from here to here. I don't know. In next 5 years, what of you will be having a top position? I may have to take appointment to meet you. God bless.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you again. Whatever you have said, I would like to conclude it in 2 lines. Sir ने जो कुछ कहा उसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि dare to dream and dare to fly. Dare to dream and dare to fly. No star is too distant. No dream is too high. So, सर जो कहना चाह रहे थे वो ये कि तट पर बैठे ख्वाबों को ख्वाब ही रह जाना है. Am I allowed, sir, to say? सर ने मुझे बताया कि जब उन्होंने YouTube पर मोटिवेशन मंत्रा देखा तो उसमें शायरियाँ आ रही हैं और वो सर को शायरी समझने में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि शुद्ध हिंदी और उर्दू हो जाता है. तो एक बार उन्होंने सुना तो मैडम से ही पूछा कि जो लोग पानी में नहाते हैं वो लिबास बदलते हैं, व्हाट इज दिस लिबास? तो मैडम ने बताया इट इज ऑल अबाउट क्लॉथिंग. कल हम बात कर रहे थे. तो जो पानी में बदलते हैं, पानी में नहाते हैं वो लिबास बदलते हैं, और जो पसीने से नहाते हैं वो इतिहास बदलते हैं. तो सर जो कहना चाह रहे थे वो ये कि तट पर बैठे ख्वाबों को ख्वाब ही रह जाना है, बहुत गहरे पानी में जाना होगा मोती अगर पाना है. तो मेहनत करते रहते हैं. मैं आपको ये विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं सर कि यहाँ जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं, दे ऑल आर वर्किंग हार्ड एंड दे आर प्लानिंग टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस नेशन एंड द वेरी एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ नेशन बिल्डिंग. सो मैं आपकी तरफ से सर को आश्वासन दिला रहा हूँ, आप जो कुछ भी करना बनना चाहते हैं, सर ने एक बात कहा, आप जहां भी जाएं, अमेरिका जाएं, कहीं जाएं, बस ये ध्यान रखें कि चिड़िया चाहे कितना उड़े आकाश, ये ध्यान रखना दाना होता है जमीन के पास. और सर के पास पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड दुनिया भर से ऑफर्स रहे, आज भी होंगे. मुझे लगता है कि आइए हमारे देश में और हमको टेक्नोलॉजी समझाइए, क्योंकि जो सैटेलाइट जिससे आप हर कुछ यूज कर रहे हैं, मेरे ख्याल से 7 और 8 सैटेलाइट सर के गाइडेंस में ही एस्टैब्लिश, 32 सैटेलाइट सर के गाइडेंस में एस्टैब्लिश हुआ है. तो अचीवमेंट्स इतने सारे हैं जिनके सर मुझे बता रहे थे, कल बात चल रही थी. तो ईस्टर आइलैंड एक जगह है जहां सर गए हुए थे, और ईस्टर आइलैंड अगर आप मैप में ढूंढे, वर्ल्ड मैप में, तो एक डॉट के जैसा मिलेगा, आप ढूंढने, यू कैन नॉट बी एबल टू लोकेट इट, ईस्टर आइलैंड. और जब सर वहां थे उसी समय सुनामी आ गई थी. सो उनके जीवन में बहुत एक्सपीरियंस और थ्रिल है, जिसके बारे में मुझे लगता है कि कई दिन उनके साथ रहूंगा तो जान पाऊंगा. सो मैं सर को ये विश्वास और आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं कि हम सब यहाँ राष्ट्र निर्माण, नेशन बिल्डिंग के लिए हैं. जो कुछ भी आप करना चाहते हैं अपने दिमाग में रखें और मेरे साथ 3 बार दोहराएं ताकि सर तक ये बात पहुंचे. मेरे साथ कहिए, जो कुछ भी आप बनना चाहते हैं, करना चाहते हैं, दिमाग में रखिए और कहिए, आई कैन डू इट. जोर से, आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन डू इट. Now you all are able to do it. Thank you very much, my dear friends, for being here. मैं आशीन्द्र मिश्रा सर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं कि kindly offer the token of love to Honorable Dr. Geeta ma'am first, because she is the lady behind all the success of Suresh sir. या flower and सरस्वती प्रतिमा भी होगी, वो भी दे दीजिए. Keep clapping. Ma'am, this token of love is for you. Thanks a lot for being here. मैं मिश्रा सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि TN सुरेश सर को टोकन ऑफ लव एंड फ्लावर बन प्रोवाइड करें. Once again, thank you very much, sir, for being here. And definitely, we would like to have you again for the entire day. Then we'll arrange a workshop for these all students. We have much more students here in Kautilya Academy, but they are the fortunate one, those who have able to attend the program of yours and enlightened by your words. मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये जो आज का सेशन था, ये आपके लिए जीवन भर के लिए यादगार रहेगा. तो हम सर को ले जा रहे हैं. आप एक बार खड़े हो जाइए सम्मान में. थैंक यू वेरी मच.